Okay, so today we need to make an iHelp video. I don't know what we're going to do. Let's go to studio.youtube.com to see what we've done already. Okay, so we can see we've made a season 4 trailer. Now let's jot down some of our ideas. So we can just write maybe notes or anything to do with iPadOS 15, I guess, works. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Okay, let's get started on this video about quick notes. Yes, you just saw it. Let's close out of that quick note. Let's open it up again, and let's show you how to use it. You just swipe from the bottom right corner, and there it is. You can swipe between the quick notes just like that, effortlessly. You can add a link, which you won't show for privacy reasons, and you can use Windows to move right into quick notes in the Notes app so you can see all of your notes. But does it work like a normal note? Yes, of course it does, because Apple would not want to limit the functionality. So you can just write and type just like you usually would. And you can create a new one, just like that. It's a pretty simple topic, but it's really important. We can go to the Notes app and we can view our quick notes right in there, just like their normal notes. Let's treat them fairly. And you'll have a much bigger canvas. But there's a lot of new multitasking options in iPadOS 15. So, of course, we need to do some windows. Let's open the quick note up again, and we can resize that window. Great. Let's make it really big. I like to keep it this small usually, just so it's not taking up that much of my content, and we can move the quick note around to different corners of the screen. This is really great, and it's really flexible. That's my really cool thing. Next, you can use quick notes on all of your devices. And of course, Notes syncs to your iCloud account if you've enabled that. So you'll be able to view the quick notes on your Mac and other devices. Thank you guys for watching this short video. Be sure to subscribe. Right now, you can see that we're at 145 subscribers. And be sure to watch the Season 4 trailer. We're about to make some really cool stuff with Creative Pros. Let me show you what we have in store with voice. We'll have a creative filming setup, which is just like our Creative Pro setup because filming is Creative Pro. That's great. But what is the filming used for? Of course, it's used for our documentary. That's cool. But what if you're in the manufacturing industry or you love engineering? Well, then we just got a 3D printer on our hands and we're going to be using that for many videos. So keep your eyes out for that. We'll do an ultimate media entertainment setup, which is not a Creative Pro unless you love watching videos. So we're gonna put that there. If that's your hobby, if that's something you love to do, and we're definitely going to be doing a lot more. So stay tuned for that. Please be sure to watch and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for learning about Quick Notes.